Top of the morning viral news. Now, my viewers and subscribers, everybody alright? People, me say, look at this picture and tell me what you think about that picture. Yeah, man, look at that picture, people. Now, this man, what them call him, Bama, I guess him bomb up down a cassava piece. Now, he was cut down by the police for viewers and subscribers. Remember to please like and share and leave an honest opinion. Down below, now them say a picture says 1,000 words, right? Now, you have to look at the picture and judge the individual. Even though we know the police them steer. Now, the police them knocked down Bama. You see me? A man was fatally cornered up by the police in Cassava Peace, St. Andrew early this morning during an alleged confrontation. He has been identified by the police as Orlando Solomon, otherwise called Bama. A firearm was reportedly seized. The incident happened about 4:30 a.m. during a planned police operation in the area. The circumstances surrounding the shooting have not yet been disclosed. The Independent Commission of Investigation has since launched a probe into the fatal shooting. As of May 19, some 130 persons have been killed during confrontation with the security forces. Now, my people, I'm not joking this. The police them got hard. And for the couple of weeks, Cassava Peace has seen a surge of violence. Down to one or two days ago, my people, them dash a man at a bar in the community. You see me? And we realize that you're down a Cassava Peace attend for flare up, and we know that that get worse if the police them not take action against them criminal. Now, looking at Bama, one would tell us, boy, Bama look serious. Bama look like say him not play with people. You see me? But if I understand this, them police are not take no chat. When them come for you, and you have the wrongs, them are gonna dirt you. Some people, make sure some of their road and be very vigilant. Be careful, some man come from ends that come and talk, tune and laugh, wouldn't know. You see me? And everybody come and talk, wouldn't laugh, wouldn't go at them straight real. Yeah, man, because you are going now. You see, in the streets right now, no one is safe now. You have to just pray to God and say, Father God, protect me. Because them youth here, what you call criminal hoodlums, so what you want to call them, them haunted. And if them can get a chance for knock with your 3 points out of your body, them will come do it. Them now laugh and smile with you. Them will rob and do all kind of things to you. So you see Bama right about now, people. Look like Bama in a things. Yeah, for you see how him look. You not have to ask Christ. Bama a serious man. So the police them, well done. Yeah, man, well done, man, and keep it that way there. I don't want to hurt no innocent people, the officer. Don't hurt no innocent people. Make sure so when I go up and ends them, when to do the thing right. We know why no innocent people get hurt. Just go up on the scene and do enough to do an operation because when they have to serve and protect. We know why it's nobody innocent drop out again. You see me? Now my people, down a Cassava Peace, you know, it have a tendency for flare up now and then and all these things. So I got the police them get rid of the youth here. So you know say no them can keep the peace down just for the time being. Now we are move on now, my people. Now a shocking incident took place at a funeral in Westmoreland where family members get wrong bodies. So there's two persons that should have been buried from one specific family. You see me? But apparently, when the body reached at the church, it was boy, my people. no, that's why you see more time, you know. It's good when the body come in your community, you know, people. It's so away, you know. But sometimes it's good when the body come in your community where you know so you can see the body before the body actually go to church. Everybody can come in the community and look and then them can decide what is what. Now, it seems as if them not get to see the body then at all because if they had saw the body before it went to the church, all of this wouldn't take place. Now, you know, this is the parish of Westmoreland. and the funeral home is at fault. Now just imagine people, just imagine you're flying from foreign and you come from foreign and say, boy, me I come bury my uncle and my niece and my nephew, and by the time you reach here and you're going to the church and the pastor preach and then open this casket and you look. And when you look at people, different body. So sir, some serious thing listen to people. The people them can't sleep. The people them upset. How can these individuals make them mistake here? How can they do something like this? Now, what we get to understand is that the person that's supposed to in charge of the body, when they reach out to them and ask them, say, what happened? The person went to the church, take a look at the body, and then they realize that the body did not have any tag on it because they actually tagged the body. Some people are be carelessness are going on. Be carelessness are going on right now down at Westmoreland. Papa Jesus. Just imagine, my viewers and subscribers. Just imagine you go funeral and get wrong body. You know that feel? You know that feel that way, my peeps? Jano, you know that look? It's almost like you just waste the time. You go funeral for no reason at all, my people. But at the end of the day, the funeral did keep, my people. Believe it or not, the funeral did go ahead. The funeral did go ahead, my people. But, them need justice, man. This a slackness. Remember, my viewers, them pay them money, All of these individuals, they say, we're buried, I know that the funeral home get the money, funeral home a place where you can't ramp with. You have to pay money. You can't come talk about nothing free or own nothing at all these things, my viewers. So I feel say all of them funeral home and where do them thing, them need to be held accountable for it. You see me I say? Now as you can see, these are the two individuals that should have been in the casket, but different settings, my people. John Star. I feel for them people, yeah. I feel for them people, yeah. Cause imagine you go a funeral and a different body in the casket. Then say imagine then my people you are going now with all this foolish Atman thing. Them two bodies that go to the funeral. Just imagine now the dilemma with that cars now, my people. I swear, Jamaica, Westmoreland, funeral homes, only need for the better. And all I know, but the one who made a mistake, only need for the better. Only need for the better. Jamaica stop the people them come from different parts of the world. Come bury them family members. And this is what them get. Jano. That's why sometimes the people don't want to come out here, And we Jamaican cause it, You see me? Now the opposition is asking, should I say the opposition is deeply concerned about Lataya Bulgin, that's a girl called Buju who was slapped away by the police. The People National Party says the shooting death of Lataya Bulgin by the members of the security force is deeply troubling and should raise several concerns among all were thinking Jamaicans at home and in the diaspora. You see me, my peeps? Remember now, this is a GLP administration. And we know so when most of the time them when GLP take over powers, it always be a lot of crimes when viewers and subscribers. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened with the GLP or what, but it always be a case in which you have to have crimes in the country. And it's very, very, very concerning my viewers and my subscribers. So we can understand where the PNP is coming from. But the PNP, if you understand this, when you guys were in power, it was the same thing. Is it, Mr.? No different. No different. Now, listen to this now, people, because the PNP is trying to pressure the government to give the members of the force Bodycam, my viewers. I remember Arias Shang and because know said the uniform is not designed to work with Bodycam. That's a joke in doubt. The opposition People National Parties called for immediate use of body-worn cameras by the police force following what it described as the deeply troubled fatal shooting of Lataya Bulgin in Granville St. James on Sunday. Now, my people, as I said, Bodycam should have been weird long time. See me? In America, they wear it. And other countries, but I don't know what happened to Jamaica. You can see it clear that Jamaica is Jamaican leaders are hiding something. You know, they don't want to expose the corruption that is going on inside the force. Now, family members of missing British man is offering 500 US reward for this gentleman you seen on the screen, and he has been missing for the past 3 years. And for a typical Jamaican, we know how Jamaican run, my viewers and subscribers. Once somebody missing for even 1 or 2 months, we know so that person not there again. You see me? Now, these family members are offering 500 US, that are $500,000. You see me? And my peeps, wanna tell me what you think about that one. Yeah? I want to know what you guys think about this, because it took away. If you know, say the gentleman missing for almost 3 years. The family members, them want answer for them loved one, them want, you know, find out. But trust me, that has been a long time ago, my peeps, and you know, we can't guarantee it might be alive, my viewers, but Jano, Jamaica is not a real place. Jamaica is not a real place, my viewers and subscribers. So we just hope say these resident, or should I say these people, would understand say this is Jamaica, and I'm not saying that Jamaica is a bad place, but when you miss it for so long, you can obviously tell say you are not here anymore. You see me? Nearly 3 years after British citizen Cedric Mitchell disappeared in Jamaica, his family is offering a 500,000 reward for information that could finally bring them desperately needed answer and closure. We are willing to accept that he passed away. You see me? We would have contacted his family, his friends. We just want closure, and we want to find out the truth. His sister Maxine Mitchell told the Gleaner. So basically, they come to their senses that this man is no longer with us. You see me? But they just want to get closure for all of this, my viewers and subscribers. You know, it's sad. It's sad for no how some Jamaicans overseas them lose them loved one, and you know it very disturbing for no say your loved one come out here and disappear. You know that female people, for everyone who lost a loved one, may I tell you, it's not a nice feeling. It's not a nice feeling, my people. Yeah, because you are going now. You see more time when you lose a loved one, it take a toll upon you. You know, some more time, you know, you know, get closure, and you did it for years and I try to find out what really happened. You ask question, find out, nothing. You see me? So let's open, see if these family members can get closure to this story. As them say them want to find out, them probably them know same gone already, but them just want for me to just understand you know what really happened and what's the circumstances around this. You know, my some peeps, anybody at all with a need closure for them family, you know, demise, but let's watch and see, my people. Yeah, let's look and see what is gonna take place regarding this one, my viewers and subscribers. So as I say, Remember, guys, like and share and subscribe to the channel. And we're gonna do a recap in a few more people, because tell you, Jamaica is not the Jamaica is not a real place. Now, in the first story, guys, I spoke about this gentleman called Bama, who the police them cut down in a cassava piece. As I said, my people, a picture said 1,000 words. And looking at Bama, Bama look like him tired of life. You see me? I swear, the boys and I also spoke about the mix-up at the funeral where these family members got the wrong body, my peeps. The wrong body. Just imagine that. Should I say, no, the wrong bodies. Because it was supposed to be 2 family members who passed away. But unfortunately, they got the wrong bodies. Oh my gosh. I swear, it terrified. It's very, very terrifying. You see me? Also, my peeps, we spoke about the opposition being very concerned about Buju's death in St. James. Also, the opposition is calling for Bodycam to be worn by the police. You see me? And we also spoke about a family member of a British man. You know, they're seeking answer and they're offering over 500,000 Jamaican dollar for their loved one. You see me? Name is Cedric Mitchell, and he disappeared in Jamaica. No one know where he is, but the family members are basically trying to get closure. So please like and share, guys. Take care now.